Today we're going to show you how to change your 2021 Ford Bronco Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. So first thing we need to do is open this up, and that allows us to access what we need to access. Now we're going to turn this over, and you can see there's a little indentation right here in the middle and here that allows you to insert a screwdriver and pry these open. Now these do take a CR2032 battery. We've got a link to those in the description below, so you can check those out if you need a battery for this. And then there is that little hole right there. We're going to insert our screwdriver, and you're going to push and then pry at the same time. That's going to get that cover to pop right off, and you can see exactly where I'm talking about. They've got that indentation right there in the 2021 Ford Bronco Key Fob. There's another little pry spot right here, but I find that middle one works best. Now we're going to just remove this battery. We're going to pry from the side right here. That pops right out. Now we're going to insert our new CR2032 battery. We want to make sure we've got the plus symbol facing up. And now that we've got the new battery in there, we're just going to put the cover back on our Ford Bronco Key Fob, press that in place, and now we have replaced our 2021 Ford Bronco Key Fob battery. So thank you for watching, and if I can ask you one thing before you leave, is please subscribe or give us that thumbs up or leave a comment on how this helped, because all that helps us reach more people so they can do this DIY, save themselves some time and money, and it helps us keep bringing you great content and other people bringing great content. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate it. You subscribing or you giving us that thumbs up or comment doesn't cost you anything, and it does help us reach more people and help more people. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.